Welcome to another episode of the Divorce Lawyers podcast. I'm Deepa Taylor. Today we're going to delve into a very important topic for anyone going through a family law case in Ontario, the Mandatory Information Program, or MIP. If you're involved in a family law dispute, you've likely come across the term MIP. It's a mandatory program that everyone going to family court must attend. But what exactly is it? Why is it important? And how can it help you during what can be a very stressful and emotional time? In today's episode, we'll answer all these questions and more. We'll also discuss what you can expect from the program, who is involved, and why it's a crucial step in the court process. Let's get started. The Mandatory Information Program is often the first formal step litigants encounter when they begin their journey through the family court system in Ontario. This program was introduced by the Ontario Ministry of the Attorney General on July 18, 2011, to ensure that all parties involved in family law disputes are well informed about the process ahead. The MIP serves two main purposes. First, it educates litigants about the effects of separation and divorce, especially regarding children. Second, it provides a clear overview of the court process, including what to expect when attending court, and what steps need to be taken. Before we go any further, it's essential to know that the MIP is mandatory for everyone, whether you have a lawyer or are representing yourself. This requirement highlights just how crucial the program is in the family law process. So, what can you expect when you attend a MIP session? Typically, the session lasts about 2 hours and is divided into two distinct parts. Let's walk through each of them. The first part is generally led by a mediator or a professional with a background in social work or family counseling. This portion addresses the emotional and social impact of separation, particularly on children. The presenter will talk about the normal emotions you might experience, such as fear, anger, and uncertainty. It's important to recognize that these feelings are entirely normal and part of the process. A significant point during this part of the session is the emphasis on self-care. Looking after your mental and emotional well-being is essential, not just for yourself, but for your children, if you have them. The presenter may also touch on challenges that could complicate resolving your case, such as domestic abuse, mental health issues, or substance abuse, and how these factors might be addressed. In the second part of the session, a family lawyer takes the stage to explain the legal aspects of separation and divorce. This is where you'll get a comprehensive understanding of the court process, from filing your initial documents to attending case conferences, motions, and even trials if necessary. You'll learn about how to conduct yourself in the courtroom, what to expect from the judge, and how your case will move forward through the various legal stages. The lawyer will also discuss alternatives to going to court, such as mediation and collaborative law, which can be valuable methods for resolving disputes in a less adversarial manner. Now that you know what the MIP covers, here are some practical tips to help you prepare for your session and get the most out of it. Firstly, it's wise to arrive early. If your session is in a larger court or center, security checks and busy courtrooms can cause delays. By giving yourself extra time, you'll reduce any unnecessary stress. As for what to bring, you don't need to follow a strict dress code for the MIP session. However, dressing in a way that makes you feel comfortable and confident can help you focus on the material. You should also bring any relevant documents, like your notice to attend, and ensure you know your court file number. While phones can't be used during the session, it might be helpful to have a photo of your notice on your phone, just in case you forget the physical copy. During the session, don't hesitate to ask questions. There will be opportunities to clarify any doubts you have about the process. Use these moments to ensure you understand everything you need to know about the family law process. Once the session ends, you'll receive a stamped notice confirming your attendance. This document is critical for moving forward with your court case, so be sure to keep it safe and follow up with your lawyer on any questions or concerns that came up during the MIP. One important takeaway from the MIP is that going to court isn't your only option. In fact, the program strongly promotes alternative dispute resolution methods like mediation and collaborative law. These options are often less adversarial, less expensive, and quicker than court proceedings. Mediation involves working with a neutral third party to reach a mutually agreeable resolution, while collaborative law focuses on both parties and their lawyers working together to solve disputes without the need for court intervention. These alternatives can offer more flexibility and solutions tailored to your specific needs. If you're wondering what happens if you decide not to attend the MIP, it's simple. You won't be able to move forward with your court case. As the applicant, you can't file your pleadings without completing the program. If you're the respondent, you won't be able to file an answer or attend a case conference until you've attended the MIP. Skipping the MIP will only delay your case and could even hurt your standing in the litigation process. In summary, the Mandatory Information Program is a crucial step in Ontario's family law process. It equips you with the tools and knowledge to navigate separation and divorce from both legal and emotional perspectives. Attending the MIP not only fulfills a legal requirement, but also provides you with valuable resources and insights to make informed decisions. Remember, while the court process may seem intimidating, there are alternatives that might better suit your situation. Use the information you gain from the MIP to explore your options and find the best path forward for you and your family. Thank you for joining me today on the Divorce Lawyers podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with anyone who might benefit from understanding more about the MIP and the family law process in Ontario. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future episodes. For personalized guidance, please consult one of our family lawyers by visiting DivorceLawyers.ca. Until next time, take care and remember, knowledge is power, especially when navigating the complexities of family law.